And hello fellas, I have received the Makita Drill DDF485 and it's working in good order, of course cosmetically, and the housing mechanically is broken, so I need to replace the new housing for it. I have received the new housing. Okay, starting from the duct tape. Now I will unscrew the screws here. And now we know that it's holes from screws somewhere here. Okay, can't find them so easily. Okay, now I can feel the hole here. Yep. And it must be a hole here. Okay, and it seems that now I can try to take the housing off. It still don't want to go out. I'm just cutting it here. Okay, start moving. That's a good sign. Yep, we have removed the housing. You can see that it's completely broken. And of course, now I will prepare the new housing. And I will just lift everything. The hook. Okay, I want to clean it a little bit, so I will brush it. Yep, and now I can fit everything back in the housing. Starting from the LED light. The oil changer. I will try to fit it nicely, not forgetting the leaf spring here. It goes here in the housing. Okay, the direction changer. Now we can close the housing. Yep, it closes nicely. Okay, about the screws, of course, you can try to clean the heads a little bit. Okay, it seems like it now, so we need to test it. Yep, it works. The clutch works. Okay, now we can try to clean the check a little bit. If that helps, I don't know. Okay, and yeah, it looks good with a new housing. Thank you for watching.